Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Eat with Shraddha. So today here we have chicken momo and this is spicy red chutney. Because Bandhu came just yesterday, so she wanted to have momo, so we thought like we'll have chicken momo. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Very tasty. This is with green chutney. Too good. Because after many days, we're eating.
You उसको this dolly, not dolly, but that raja chili.
This is a king chili chutney.
Ah.
Food. Green chutney is nice.
This salt made curry.
Peter, why? Because chutney is very spicy. So yeah, almost finished now. 12 momo, I guess. Too good. Finished. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe and comment.